Hi guys, today I went to IKEA because I needed some inspiration for a new project and I thought to bring you guys along. As I see they launched the spring collection, so let's explore and get inspired. This room was the first one where spring decor was present. It's a very girly and welcoming space. I see some new pillows and a lot of flowers. I like how the designer of this room painted the walls this muted green color and used the green carpet as well. This acts as a base color. The floral patterns and browns complement the room perfectly, just like in nature. In the sofa section I noticed a new series, 3x10 sofa beds. It's on the firmer side and it has a very easy mechanism to extend it to a full-size bed. It has storage as well, plus this pillow has a mattress topper inside. This two-seater comes in this rust color and the covers are removable. It's very comfy, soft but firm in the same time. It has a good balance. I do not usually gravitate towards very bold colors in furniture, but this armchair was very comfortable to sit on. But despite all the color in this nook, my eyes gravitated towards this oak coffee table. This metal armchair made a comeback. It's a re-release from the 80s, but I have to be honest, I find it very uncomfortable. While I get the industrial metal look, I cannot do a thin cushion on a metal grid. I will always choose the upholstered armchair. This bookcase is beautifully designed and decorated. The sliding doors unlock the core childhood memory. My grandma had a vanity with them and I was obsessed. Hemnes has two new pieces, a bookcase and a glass door cabinet. It's made from solid wood and it has a charming rustic look. And these small details, the striped lined drawer, give me so much joy when everything around us is so bland, straight and simple. I love to see some touches of creativity. Here we have a simple beige cabinet. It's beautifully decorated and it goes perfect in any hallway. The shoe rack feels a bit lightweight in person. And here are some more hallway items. I will not comment because they are not my style, but we are all different and have different styles, furniture needs. So if you like it, go for it. I am a huge fan of trolleys. They are very practical. And this cute green one is particularly good because it has this handle on top. If you ever try rolling a cart over a threshold or outdoor tiles, you'll know this makes a huge difference. Now we arrived in the kitchen area of the showroom, and I must say that these food items look very realistic. I would buy some of it for decor if it was for sale. Method has new cabinet fronts. I was under the impression that green was no longer trendy in home decor this year, but after seeing these new kitchen fronts and also the previous new IKEA products, I changed my mind. I think green is back and timeless. Let's take a minute to appreciate the storage options in this small cabinet. Every inch is effectively used, but be aware that matte finishes always attract prints like magnets. So if you are obsessed with cleaning, stay away from matte finishes, especially in the kitchen. This popular trolley has a new color and it's in this gorgeous navy blue. I love versatile furniture. It's perfect for small spaces, and this one, it's a trolley, a countertop and a folding table because the extensions have two heights. Finally, a swivel chair that does not have wheels that will scratch your floors, and it has removable covers that you can wash. I tried it and it's really comfy, has a good lower back support. Now I am in the bedroom space and there is a new storage collection. It's mid-century style with a walnut finish, brass details on the legs and knobs. Plus you get a surprise when opening the drawer. I was not expecting this rich blue inside. This wardrobe with sliding doors and open shelf is my favorite piece. If you don't have a guest room but still want a place for visitors to sleep, this foldable bed is a great option. It folds up compactly and even has wheels, so you can roll it into a closet when not in use. IKEA is fully embracing green this season. This soft muted green brings a calm and natural vibe to any room. I was not expecting to see a wall filler, but I will buy it. This is perfect for filling in small holes and cracks. It's a must-have in any home. I like that it's in a small tube that you can use immediately. We worked our way down into the retail area. I love this. It's a rustic stoneware utensil holder, but you can also use it for fresh herbs or a small plant pot. The glaze gives it a handmade look, which makes it feel a bit more special. This jar is perfect for storing coffee, flour, or oats. But what I love is the cork lid. It adds a warm, natural touch to your kitchen. Plus, it seals well, so your food stays fresh longer. This little kitchen organizer is a game changer if you hate cluttered countertops. It's got a handle so you can move it easily around, and it keeps everything, spices, oil, utensils, nice and tidy. I love these stainless steel and wood utensils. They look 100 times better than plastic ones. Plus, they last longer and are healthier. So this is a solid upgrade if you want something more durable and stylish. This set of 6 clear jars is great if you love an organized pantry. The lids have a button, making them easy to open. There is a cooler bag or two, perfect for picnics or bringing lunch to work. If you add an ice pack, it keeps food cold even longer. It's simple but super useful. These reusable bags are great to swap your single-use plastic bags. They're dishwasher safe, which is a huge plus. This cast iron pizza pan is heavy, but great quality and perfect for crispy pizza crust. They brought this back, and I'm glad they did. This plate has a romantic vintage feel. It's simple, but the ruffled edges makes it just a little special. If you like timeless tableware with a bit of character, this one is for you. This just screams summer to me. A new dinerware in light pink, and this is a very soft and subtle pink. If you like to keep things simple but still want a little pop of color, this is a good pick. Here we have a unique looking tray. It's perfect for breakfast in bed. This one is on the larger side and it has a woven pattern. I'm sure it's handmade. Now this straw blanket is lightweight and has a soft texture, but it has no hem. It looks pretty, but I feel like it might fray over time. If you're looking for something that will last, this might not be the best option. Beige curtains blend into any interior. They're light, airy and neutral, which means they'll work pretty much with any style and decor. But white curtains are always classic. They let in just enough sunlight to make a room feel bright and open, but still add complete privacy. Now, if you prefer something more dramatic, the Sanella velvet curtains are a statement. The master color is bold but warm, and the light beige version is perfect if you want the luxury of velvet without a heavy color. This entire bottom row is filled with new pillowcases, probably over 50 designs. We have bold, we have colorful patterns, soft neutrals, and even some floral prints that I really like. It's such an easy way to refresh a space without spending too much. This duvet cover set is made of organic cotton muslin, which means it's soft, breathable, and has that slightly crinkled texture. Perfect for summer, and I love that it's 100% certified organic cotton, so you know it's a good quality fabric. This quilted bedspread has tiny florals on one side and classic stripes on the other, so you can flip it for a different look. This set has a beautiful floral print. I always think the tinier the flower print, the cuter it looks. Another floral set. This one makes your bed look like a summer meadow. If you love a cheerful cottagecore aesthetic, this is definitely for you. The Mavin collection is all about handmade products, and each piece is unique. Everything is made in collaboration with social enterprises, so when you buy something from this line, you are also supporting artisans. This new bathroom collection is designed to make every day safer. The towel rail has a soft, rounded design perfect for grip. The shower stool is sturdy with non-slip fit, and the wall shelf offers extra storage and a good grip. It's all sleek, modern, and super functional. Now, if you need extra bathroom storage and you do not mind open shelves, this bench and shelf unit is a good option. Made of solid acacia wood, it's moisture resistant, so it actually works in bathrooms, unlike some furniture that warps over time. This pendant lamp has this beautiful decor at the bottom, inspired by water ripples. It's subtle but really pretty, and it's mouth-blown glass. This technique produces beautiful irregularities that make each piece unique. This one feels like an old-school industrial lighting. The brass details and glossy enamel finish makes it look more expensive than it is. Would be perfect over a kitchen island or a dining table. There were so many new solar power lights. No need for plugs, just let the sun do the work. If you want to instantly upgrade your balcony or garden, outdoor lighting makes a huge difference. I really like the oak veneer frame on this mirror, looks elegant. And that's all the new IKEA finds for spring 2025. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite, and if you like IKEA as much as I do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and there's always more to come. Bye!